Today, we will talk about how to stop cavity pain at home. Let's have a look at the details. Cavities are a form of tooth decay in your mouth. Left untreated, cavities can lead to more severe tooth problems, such as tooth pain. If you are experiencing a toothache due to cavities, you can learn how to relieve the pain. The first method is stopping cavity pain medically. See your dentist. One way to get rid of cavity pain is to go to the dentist. Your dentist will do an exam and get x-rays of your teeth to see where any cavities or other tooth or gum problems are. Then, your dentist will suggest the best course of treatment for your cavity. Take over-the-counter medication. If your tooth or gum aches because of a cavity, taking over-the-counter pain relievers may help reduce the pain. You can take ibuprofen, Advil, acetaminophen, Tylenol, naproxen, Aleve, or aspirin. Try numbing gels. You can try numbing gels around the area of the cavity to help stop the pain temporarily. Make sure you don't swallow the gel. Spit out the gel left in your mouth. The second method is using home remedies to stop cavity pain. Clean out the cavity. You may be experiencing pain in your cavity after you eat. This might be due to food being stuck in the cavity. To help relieve the pain, rinse your mouth with warm water. Then, use a toothpick to gently and carefully get any food out of the cavity. Make a saltwater rinse. Rinsing your mouth with warm salt water is one of the most effective ways to help reduce pain in the mouth. Saltwater can help reduce acids in your gums, which may be leading to irritation and pain. Use an ice pack. Place some ice cubes or crushed ice into a towel, balloon, or the cut-off finger of a non-latex glove to make an ice pack. Place the ice pack on the tooth if it isn't sensitive to cold. Swish with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can help remove bacteria in the cavity and clean the area to help reduce infection. Swish your mouth with a 3% solution of hydrogen peroxide. Keep it in your mouth for up to a minute. The third method is trying natural remedies to help with cavity pain. Rub extracts on the tooth. One way to help relieve pain from a cavity is to use natural extracts. You can use vanilla, almond, peppermint, or lemon extracts to relieve pain from a cavity. Try essential oils. Some essential oils may aid in pain relief. Try using sunflower oil, sesame oil, oregano oil, nutmeg oil, clove oil, or tea tree oil to stop cavity pain. Chew leaves. Plantain and peppermint may help relieve pain in your mouth. To use for tooth cavity pain, place the leaves in your mouth and chew for a few minutes to release the helpful juices. Cover the sore area with citrus. You may be able to relieve cavity pain using fruit from your refrigerator. Lemons and limes may be able to stop tooth pain because of citric acid and vitamin C, which has antibacterial properties. Make an apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar is used in many folk and home remedies. To make a rinse for your sore mouth, combine 1/4 cup of warm water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Swish the solution in your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds. Bite into garlic, onion, or ginger. Place a small piece of garlic, onion, or ginger in your mouth, directly over your painful tooth or gum area. Slowly bite down on the sliver, which will release the juice inside. This will relieve the pain by numbing the gums. Try an asafoetida paste. Asafoetida is a plant used in Middle Eastern traditional medicine. Combine 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder with fresh lemon juice. Make sure to use enough lemon juice to make a thin, spreadable paste. Spread the paste on the cavity and around the gum. Leave it on for around 5 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.